Come on. There you go. Come on. You're trying to get Halo's toy, aren't you? There you go. Now get the knee moving. Uh-oh, I'm getting tired. There you go. Come on. You gotta get the knees moving now. There. You almost made it to Halo's toy. Okay, now is when Mommy takes Halo's toy away. Come on, Booger. Oh no, I took Halo's toy away. Oh, Halo. She's giving you kisses. Thanks, Halo.